Hello and welcome, friends. In this short video, I'm going to talk about our lead nurturing program. So many times we are getting leads through Just Dial, through India Mart, through exhibitions. So leads तो बहुत सारी आ जाती हैं, but main issue is converting them. So you are able to get a lot of leads, but normally hot leads जो हैं, तो वो leads तो sales person convert कर देते हैं, but what about the rest? So normally salespeople ignore the leads that are not hot, and you may be able to convert only three or four out of all the inquiries that are coming in. You don't have enough people to convert all the inquiries, and at the same time another problem is that you have so many customers with whom you like to keep in touch, but you're not able to do it manually because you don't have enough staff to do that, and they may not be taking enough care. And if you are able to actually nurture them by keeping them informed about your products, about your services, about the new things that are happening in your industry, that is one of the surest way to convert them into inquiries. Many times it has happened that you go and meet a customer and you see that he has purchased products that you can easily supply, but he has purchased it from someone else because he doesn't know that you also do these products. So normally a person may not buy from you in the first interaction, and they need to be educated about what your products and services are so that they can buy from you. And this needs to be fully automated because manually ये हो नहीं पाता है. तो मैनुअली इसको हम नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो इसी के लिए हमारा ये प्रोग्राम है व्हाट्सएप लीड नर्चरिंग, एंड इट्स अ अमेजिंग वे. सो लेट मी टॉक अबाउट दिस. सो ये जो प्रोग्राम है, इसके अंदर में एनी कस्टमर हु कम्स इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद यू, वेदर ही वॉक्स इन टू योर स्टोर, मीट्स यू एट एन एग्जीबिशन और सेंड यू एन इंक्वायरी. So once they are entered into this sheet, once they are entered into this sheet, then you don't need to do anything else. So this sheet contains pre-made templates, and those templates will start going at a fixed schedule. तो कोई भी पर्सन कभी भी आएगा, आप उसको बस ऐड करा दीजिए थ्रू अ गूगल फॉर्म. यू कैन गिव दिस गूगल फॉर्म टू एनी पर्सन इन योर कंपनी. आप अपनी कंपनी में किसी को भी ये गूगल फॉर्म दे सकते हैं और उसके थ्रू इसको ऐड करा सकते हैं. तो उनको शीट एक्सेस देने का ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. You can attach any kind of file that can be sent, and then it has got amazing features like duplicate number detection, so it will not send the messages again if the person is already there in the database. And at the same time, it can send a salutation or not. It has a big sending capacity of 100 to 500 messages per hour depending on the content that you are sending, and it will continue to run till the time it sends all the messages. So come, let me show you how this would exactly work. So now for this demonstration, I also have my phone online here. This is the sheet for lead nurturing. And once this is set up, you don't need to even access the sheet. So this is where you get the name and mobile numbers of the person. Okay. And the rest, everything else is fully automated. Actually, these columns are all automated and you don't need to touch them. And they're just telling you that what message will be sent next and on what date it will be sent next. So let us begin. The thing that you need to set up is in the templates. So once you've set up the phone numbers and credentials, so these are the messages. As you can see in these messages, just let me show you here. So this is the message, first message. So this says that this is Siddharth from CUIT Box. Thank you for your interest. And the salutation means that the name of the person will be going from here. So it will say Dear Sanjeev, Dear Amit, Dear Dheeraj, and so on. You can also make any attachment here. It can be an image, it can be a PDF file, it can be a Excel document, it can be a video, and all of these can be sent from your Google Drive. So very, very easy. Then you can see this is the second message. So this message will go on the same day as you fill the form or you enter the data. This message will go after one day. So this is the detailed brochure of the Tech Mastery program. So you see here, so this message will go after one day. Then after one more day, there is this video introduction that will go. So you can see here sending the image and everything. And then again, this is another message about the details of our program. So this is the actual sheet that we are using. And then this is another one that goes after 3 days. So this is what some of our students say about Tech Mastery. And download these amazing toolkits for free. And you can you see that a trigger has been set up for every 30 minutes. So whenever you fill the form, the messages will go. And You can test these messages. So these are the number of templates. You can create as many templates as you want. कोई लिमिट नहीं है, जितने मर्जी टेम्पलेट आप बनाइए. और कोई भी मैसेज आप इस मैसेज के अंदर, इसमें कोई भी मैसेज अगर आप चेक करना चाहते हैं, जस्ट सेलेक्ट द मैसेज and then send test WhatsApp, and you will find that immediately you see the message has been sent. So you can see here, so this is the message. So you can see here that in the test message it will pick your Gmail ID, but not to worry, in the real message when it starts sending them, ये सिर्फ टेस्ट मैसेज के लिए है. It will pick the name of the customer. Okay, so it will say dear Sanjeev, Sanjeev Jain, Sanjeev G, as जो भी डिटेल आपने डाला है, and they can see this is the message. So this is how it will go. Now this one doesn't contain any image, that's why there is no image. Now you can see the second one. Just a moment. So now this one also is going. It says success. So it depends on how much time it will take, depends on the kind of file that you have attached. As you can see now, this second message is also right. This contains the brochure, and here is a detailed brochure of. So you can just test any message. So these are different messages. Okay. So now look at, let us try number 7. So these are, just a moment. So now I'm going to test 7 number, and you see it says, so you see here, so you have also attached a YouTube video here, as you can see. So messages have to be made very nicely, but this is only one time effort. Once you do that, then that's done. You don't have to do it again and again. Now how you can enter the contacts, you can enter them manually. You can go down and enter them manually. And the better way to do it is do it automatically by going to the form. So this is the go to live form, and now this is the Google form. Okay, and you just have to enter the name and mobile number. And I will show you another technique that, you know, in the training that we will provide, we will also tell you how to save this link on the mobile phone. So now on my mobile phone I have various links. So you can see these are different links that I have. Now I have saved this link here with my salesperson. Can you see this? The same form opens instantly. So the same form opens instantly. So I can fill it from here as well as from the लैपटॉप. तो कोई भी ये फॉर्म भर सकता है, तो कोई भी फॉर्म भर सकता है. इट इज़ द सेम फॉर्म. ओके, तो मोबाइल फ़ोन्स पे आप डलवा सकते हैं अपने सेल्स पर्सनस के, जो भी लोग आपके पास हैं. तो जो भी कस्टमर मिलते हैं, वॉक इन करते हैं, एग्जीबिशन में मिलते हैं, इंक्वायरी आती है. सो यू कैन जस्ट सी. So I'm just putting another test number. So this is just sent, and this number will get added. So this number will get added. As you can see here, ये add हो गया है और ये message चला भी गया है. And if I, this is going to my other number, so I'm going to open that, and look at this. This message is already here. See, dear Sanjeev, this is Siddharth from CYT Box. Thank you for your interest. Okay, and as you can see here that now it is said ki okay, this message is gone on this date, and this is today's date, and next so now this is okay, today's date is 27. So this is the next date on the which the message will go. This is one day after, and the second message will go. So you see that it has scheduled the second message to go on this date. So like these are other people, and the messages for them are scheduled to go out on the other date. So these are the different dates. So these are the numbers, and these are the different dates, and what newsletter will go out on that particular date. So as you can see here, तो ये अपने आप से चलता रहेगा. And that is the power of this program कि आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना. You can create any number of templates. So any number of templates, there is no limit at all. और ये सिर्फ आप days डालते जाइए कि कितने दिन बाद जाना है. So the number of days that you put, and that's it. very simple, and you get the send report where it will show you that how many messages it is sending every day. As you can see here, it is also showing you how many messages you will be sending every day. So really amazing program, and I highly recommend that uh, if you start this program, you will get amazing results. One more thing that I must remind you is that for this sheet to run, you need to purchase credits. So you can go to our website live.coitbox.com, and on our website you can purchase the credits that are required. So you can buy credits एंड एज मेनी क्रेडिट्स एज यू वांट, एज यू थिंक कि जितना आपको चाहिए होगा, बिकॉज व्हाट्सएप भेजने के लिए गूगल शीट से डायरेक्टली नहीं जा सकते. यू कैन नॉट सेंड द मैसेजेस डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम गूगल शीट. it needs to go through a service, and in order to take the credits, like just you send SMS, you take SMS credits. The same way you have to purchase credits. So you have to purchase credits in the absolutely the same way, and depending on the number of credits and the plan that you want to get, you can get an annual plan or you can get a quarterly plan. So you can purchase this, and then the details of the plan you will connect to this sheet, and the sheet will start running. So thank you once again. So please do check out other programs on online.coitbox.com. So this contains the trainings that we do. These are all the online trainings that we conduct. So you'll find many interesting trainings, including the WhatsApp CRM, how to automate workflows, how to do Google App scripting, G Suite's basics. So an amazing program with amazing value. And thank you so much for watching.